In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a task in Wrike, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. This will be a straightforward process, so just stick with me, and by the end, you'll be a pro at duplicating tasks within Wrike's interface. First things first, let's get you logged in. Start by clicking on the Login button. Now, you might see several options to authenticate yourself, but for a seamless experience, click on Google. When you do this, you'll be prompted to select your account. Make sure to choose the Google account that's associated with your Wrike access. This method not only saves you time, but also keeps all your workspaces easily accessible without the need to constantly type passwords. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head to your project. Navigate to your Wrike dashboard and find the project you're currently working on. You can do this by either searching through your project list or using the sidebar, whichever you prefer. Finding your project quickly will help you stay organized and efficient. Now that you're in your project, look for the task or card that you wish to copy. Locate it on your dashboard and simply right-click on the card. By doing this, you'll open a context menu with several options. Here you'll want to select Copy Link. This step effectively grabs the URL of the task within your workspace, making it ready for pasting elsewhere. With your task link successfully copied, it's time to navigate over to your other project. This could be another team's board or just a different task list where you want this task replicated. Once there, find the item or similar option. This is where you'll be pasting the link you copied earlier. Think of it as setting down the template for a new task. Go ahead and paste the link in the provided space under item. Once you've done that, press the Enter key. By hitting Enter, you'll see magic happen. An exact copy of your original task should now appear in this new project. Remember, this feature doesn't merely link to the other task. It creates a clone of it, allowing you both independent management and editing. And there you have it. You've just duplicated a task without starting from scratch, saving both time and effort. This method is particularly useful for large projects with repetitive tasks, or when you're managing similar tasks across different teams. Thank you for watching and following along. I hope this little guide has made your task management smoother and more efficient within Wrike. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Happy tasking!